Hi again, everyone. Now I'm going to explain the sound A. This is a combination of sounds. Begin with your lips in the first position of A. After about half an inch apart, slowly make an upward smile, forming E. Look in the mirror and compare the mouth to see if you are doing it okay. Count 2 slightly to be sure the sound is long enough, of course. Some examples: 8, faced, day, way, cafe, gotch, pain, straight, pray, day, ballet, sweet, fiance, eight, rained, and great. Move your lips into the unstressed vowel position of the A when it occurs before the consonant I. Pale, sail, bail. Some comparison from the sound from Unit 8 with A. Red, raid, bed, bait, debt, date, fell, fail, get, gate, mess, may, pain, pain, rain. Another examples with the letter A is pain, test, debt, fail, and get. Thank you so much.